Good morning. The next properties of determinant is property 2. If any two rows or column of a determinant are interchanged, then the sign of the determinant changes here. Now, before understand this property, first let us understand what is the sign of each and every place in the determinant. Now, determinant A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Now this is the determinant. To find the value of this determinant, each and every time we will be including that minus 1 of I plus j. This I and j will be denoting this place here. That is I means 1 row, j means column, that is 1 column here j. So 1 1 means this I is 1, that is row 1, j is 1, that is column 1. So minus 1 of 1 plus 1 means minus 1 of 2, so it is equal to plus 1. Next place, minus 1 of 1 plus 2 equal to minus 1 of 3 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 of this one, 1 plus 3 equal to minus 1 of 4 equal to plus 1. Now take this one, minus 1 of 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1 of 3 equal to minus 1. Next here, minus 1 of 2 plus 2 equal to minus 1 of 4, so plus 1. Now this place, minus 1 of 2 plus 3 equal to minus 1 of 5 equal to minus 1. Now here, minus 1 of this place is 3 1, so 3 plus 1 equal to minus 1 of 4 equal to plus 1. Now here, next this is minus 1 of 3 plus 2 equal to minus 1 of 5 equal to minus 1. Next here, minus 1 of 3 3, that is 3 plus 3 equal to minus 1 of 6 equal to plus 1. Now let us write the sign for these places. Now this is equal to, while writing this A1, we have to write that plus A1. Now when I take this one, 1 2 minus, so minus of A2. The sign for this place is minus. Now here A3, 1 plus 3 plus, so plus A3. Now B1 here minus, so minus B1. Next B2 here plus, so it is plus of B2. Now next B3, see here B3, 2 plus 3 5 minus 1, so minus B3. Next C1 is 3 plus 1 plus sign, so plus. C2 3 2 minus sign, so minus C2. Next C3 plus, so it is plus C3. So while writing the determinant, no need to do this each and every time. If I remember this place sign here, then directly I can write the sign with the determinant. For the first one, A1 means plus A1 of this 4 determinant I will take. Next for this, if I take minus of A2, I have to take along with this and this. And for this, if I take means plus of A3, the row and column if I leave means then this 4 along with that I will take here. Only for taking this elements outside that we will be taking, but inside the determinant what sign we are taken, the same sign what is given here, the same sign we have to take there. Now keeping this sign in the mind, now let us do this. Let us see what is the property. If any two rows of a determinant are interchanged, two rows are interchanged or two columns are interchanged, the sign of the determinant changes. Now let us understand that property. Now see here, this is the determinant. Let us keep the sign in the mind and we will find the value of the determinant. So determinant is equal to A1 plus sign, so A1 light directly these two things, B2, B3, C2, C3. Next, for this one minus sign, so minus a2 of determinant this column and this row we have to leave. The remaining things we have to take b1, b3, c1, c3. Next, for the next place plus sign, so plus of next. Leave this column, leave this row, remaining 4 we have to take b1, b2, c1, c2. Now this you have to find the determinant a1 of, multiply this b2 c3 minus c2 b3. Next, minus a2 of b1 c3 minus c1 b3. The next plus here a3 is there, sorry, a3 of next b1 c2 minus c1 b2. Now this is my determinant value. Now let us interchange the two rows and two columns, any two row or any two column here. Now let us take the determinant 1, interchange these two row columns here. So a2, b2, c2, a1, b1, c1. Let this be as such. Now this is equal to, now see here, let us take this row wise. First row let us take. Now this is a, so this is a2 and here a1, here a3 is there. See here we have taken in the terms of a1, a2 and a3. So here also let us take in that same way. Now see here a2 having plus sign, for the first place it is plus sign here. Now this of remaining things b1, b3, c1, c3. Next, for this place minus sign. Now a1 of next remaining things b2, b3, c2, c3. Next plus, for this place it is plus, a3 let be as such. Now remaining things let us consider b2, b1, c2, c1. Now this is equal to a2 of, now see multiply b1 c3 minus c1 b3. Next is minus a1 of, multiply this b2 c3 minus c2 b3 plus a3 of, next multiply b2 c1 minus, next multiply c2 b1. Now see, this is my determinant 1. This value and this value let us compare. Now what is this? a1 b2 c3 minus c2 b3, a1 of. Now where is my a1? Here a1 is there. b2 c3 minus sign minus c2 b3, c2 b3. So this is okay, and the same thing I have here, but the change in the sign is there. Here it is plus, here it is minus. Now let us check the next thing. Now a2 is there, a2, b1 c3, b1 c3, minus sign minus c1 b3, c1 b3. So entire thing is there. Here also same thing is there, but here minus sign is there, here plus sign is there. Next plus plus a3, b1 c2 is in the next place. Here b1 c2 is having plus sign, here I have it in minus sign. So to make it as plus, I can take the sign outside here. So if I remove that sign, then this will become minus a3 of b1 c2 minus, then this will become minus here, so this will be to c1. So if I remove one minus sign from for this term alone, here minus a3 of b1 c2 minus b2 c1 will be there. Now compare these two, plus here minus a3 plus a3 b1 c2 minus sign minus c1 b2 c1 b2. Now for this and this, only one thing is extra, that is minus sign. If I multiply throughout with the minus sign, a2 becomes minus, a1 become plus and a3 becomes plus, and we will get the same thing. So comparing this 1 and 2, comparing the 1 and 2, we can write as determinant equal to determinant 1. Determinant 1 is equal to determinant 1. When it is equal means when I multiply this with the minus sign throughout the determinant 1, when I multiply with the minus sign, my determinant is equal to this determinant 1. So we can say that determinant is equal to minus determinant when two rows are interchanged. Now see, next, if I take this to next side, what will happen? Determinant plus of determinant 1 is equal to 0. See here, determinant plus of, when it goes next side, determinant 1 is equal to 0. That is, when I add these two things, this two determinant, I will get the answer 0. Because plus sign and minus sign entirely it will get cancelled, so that when I add these two, I will get the answer 0. Now see here, when one time if I interchange the rows and two columns, when I interchange, one minus sign will be there. Again if I interchange these two, another minus sign will be there, then minus into minus will become plus. So one time if I interchange the two column, one minus sign will be there. Again the second time if I do the interchange, one more minus sign, so minus into minus will become plus there. How many times I am doing the interchange, that many times I will get the minus sign. Here one time I have interchanged the column, so one minus I got here. If I interchange these two again, I will get one more minus sign there. The minus into minus both will become plus there. This is the next property of the determinant. Now see here, property 3, if any two rows or column of a determinant are identical or the corresponding elements are same, then the value of the determinant is 0. See, identical means same value, having the determinant same value. Now see here, let us assume that determinant Now let us assume that this is my determinant. Now from this determinant, see here, the column, second column, I have all the elements as same, that is 2. So from this one I can remove 1, 2 outside there. So this I can write it as 2 of 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Now similarly from this column 3 I can remove 1 5 out. If I remove that 5 out here, then this will also become 1 1 and 1. Now see, these two columns are identical. When these two columns are identical, directly I can say that the value of determinant is 0. Why? Because from this only we can say here, see here, this is determinant and here I have taken and given the name as determinant 1. But this determinant I have derived from the same determinant. This I can write it as determinant also. Simply I can write determinant is equal to minus of determinant. When this goes to next side, what will happen? Determinant plus determinant equal to 0. So twice of the determinant equal to 0. So determinant is equal to 0 here. Now same way, see that these two are equal. When these two values are, value of the columns are equal means, then the value of the determinant will be equal to 0. Now let us find this value of the determinant and let us check here. Now see here, this is the determinant given. Find the value. Determinant is equal to 3 of this row and this column we have to leave. Take this alone. 2 into 5, 10 minus 2 into 5 is 10. This place have minus sign, so 2 Next is this row and this column we have to, this column and row we have to leave. Now these two we have to take. 1 into 5 is 5 minus 2 into 5 is 10. Next place is having plus sign 5. Now this row and this column we have to take. This alone we have to take. Now multiply this. 1 into 2 is 2 minus 2 into 2 is 4. Now this is equal to 10 minus 10 0. So 3 into 0 0. Next minus 2 of 5 minus 10. So that becomes minus 5. Now plus 5 here 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. So this becomes minus 10. Minus into minus plus 10. Plus 10 minus 10 plus of 0. So everything will get cancelled here. So this value is equal to 0. So we can say that the value of the determinant is 0 when we have the two identical rows or two identical column. If the value of that column are equal, then the value of the determinant will be equal to 0. If any two rows of the determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. See here, this determinant and this determinant are moreover identical. So when this determinant are identical, then see here, just here interchanging of rows and columns alone takes place here. Interchanging only these two things will give the minus sign. But if the values are equal, this A1 B2 A2 B2 C2 and A1 B1 C1, these two values are equal, then automatically this value will goes to 0 here. The determinant value will be 0. That is what given in the property 3. If any two rows or columns of the determinant are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. Second property is, when you interchange this row and column, then there will be change in the sign. That is property 2. Here property 3 is, these two values are equal, then the value of the determinant will be 0 here.